Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called algorithm. What is an algorithm? The word algorithm means a set of rules to be followed in calculation and other problem solving operations, or it is a procedure for solving a mathematical problem in a finite number of steps that frequently by recursive operations. Therefore, algorithm refer to a sequence of finite steps to solve a particular problem. Algorithms can be simple and complex depending on what you want to achieve. It can be understood by taking an example of cooking a new recipe. To cook a new recipe, one reads the instruction and steps and executes them one by one in the given sequence. The result that thus obtained is a new dish cooked perfectly. Every time you use your phone, computer, laptop or calculator, you are using algorithm. Similarly, algorithm help to do a task in programming to get the expected output. The algorithm designed or language independent, that is, they are just plain instruction that can be implemented in any language, and yet the output will be the same as expected. The characteristic of algorithm is clear and unambiguous. The algorithm should be clear. Each of its steps should be clear in all aspects and must lead to only one meaning. It should have well-defined inputs. If an algorithm says to take inputs, it should be well-defined inputs, also well-defined output. The algorithm must clearly define what output will be yielded and should be well-defined as well. Finiteness, the algorithm must be finite, that is, it should terminate after a finite time. Feasible, the algorithm must be simple, generic and practical such that it can be executed with the available resources. It must not contain some future technology or something similar to that. Language independent, the algorithm design must be language independent, that is, it must be just plain instruction that can be implemented in any language, and yet the output will be same as expected. Thanks for watching. Bye.